feel like my bed being so tall makes me look a little funky. So, hello everybody, it is Samantha. Oh, someone Snapchatted me, this never happens. So, I'm just gonna jump right in and say today's video I am trying out BoxyCharm. This is my first time getting BoxyCharm ever. I mean, I kind of cheated and I kind of opened it and looked at what's inside already, but I have not used any of it. Well, I used one of the things, but I'll get to that later. Should this be tilted down? Oh, no. Anyways, I got 2 free things signing up for BoxyCharm. I got this micro dermabrasion Dr. Brandt stuff and then Vital Veggie Mask. Like, this brand is not familiar to me, but I'm actually really excited to try it. I have not tried either of those yet. But now starting off with the things that are actually in the box. Did I throw away the little card? Oh my gosh. I think I did. I'm the worst. I'll put the prices of everything down in like the description, like the actual prices of everything, because overall you're getting like way more things than what you're paying for, which is super awesome. But the first thing I got was this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. It's in a little jar and I was not expecting, like, you dip your finger in a little bit and a lot of product. It doesn't look like a lot, but like once you start rubbing it into your skin, like it's actually like a lot of product. But I already used this, so I'll put in the video of me actually using and testing it out. I went into the bathroom. Here's a little look at my skin before. It's pretty okay. Yeah, it's okay. There's the stuff I'm gonna put on all over my face. Very shocked at the texture because it's really goopy, and I already showed you guys this, but here it is again. And it confused me, but it smelled good, so got that going for us. So I just rubbed this all over my entire face. I washed my face beforehand too, so my face is clean. Put it all over a clean face. Here is an up close look at my skin, and this light is super freaking bright and it does not bring out the best of my complexion. And I have this really weird random line on my face, and then I found a pimple, and then I was like, oh, scaring myself a little bit. So I definitely have some redness. Yeah, that's about it. So there's a good look at my face before I go to bed. Now, this is me the next morning. Waking up, not having it, very upset actually, but realizing it is time to wash it off. And I'm saying the next morning when it's technically 2 p.m. because that is what time I woke up. So face wash, and we are going to wash all this stuff off my face. Afterwards, I just pat my face, completely dry. This is the same exact light I used, the same exact placement in my room, and here's a little after of my skin. It did make my skin very luminous, I would say, just very bright. Overall, I'm actually pretty happy with it, not gonna lie. It's pretty soft. Pretty nice. Don't know if I would like pay to like get it again. Like, I don't know if it was that good, but it was good. So now for the rest of the stuff. So I have the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. This blush is not a color I would have owned if it wasn't for this box. So I'm kind of excited to try it out, but I'm gonna do some face makeup real fast so that I have a nice even base. Okay, so I just did a layer of foundation, and I'm gonna do a light layer of powder. I did do my eyebrows in the beginning of the day, but they're looking a little funky, so I'm gonna restart it. But okay, I just had Taco Bell before I finished this video, and I was like, do I want a 4th taco? No, I don't want a 4th taco. Did I get a 4th taco? Yes, and now my body is freaking rejecting it if I just start blowing chunks on this camera. Soft tacos is what you're seeing. Whoa, they aren't too bad. As good as they're gonna get. Yay, so now I get to finally try out the stuff. Tulum. That is the bronzer name. I have this e.l.f. brush. I'm just putting some on. Okay, why is it looking so orange on there? I kind of actually like it, but it's not the way it's turning up on like the viewfinder. I mean, I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm doing a very light hand because it does seem pretty pigmented, like for the amount I'm using. It looks so much different off camera, which kind of sucks. I think it's really nice. It's not like patchy at all. I like it. Now it's time for the blush, and I always use the same bronzer blush brush for my blush, because I feel like it blends a little easier, and I like this blush. I like this brush for blush. Oh my god. Whoa, some pigmented crap. Whoa, it looks so bad on the camera, which is cracking me up. Honestly, like in person, I like this color a lot. This looks like it's blended so bad, but like in person, it's not at all. Yeah, no, I like this blush actually a lot. And honestly, none of this stuff is patchy. It overall just has like a really pretty look. I'm digging it. I like it a lot. I feel like it would definitely look better on me in the summer months when I'm a little more tan. Okay, my lips are gross. Next, I have the Too Faced Diamond Light highlight, which is really freaking cool, and it seems really fancy. Like, opens up and like this, and it opens up like this, and then it opens up like this. I don't know how well you can see it, but it is so pretty. It's like a pink gold. So I'm just gonna use a little tapered brush. Can you see it? You do kind of... Okay, good enough. You do kind of need like a lot though. Have to like scrape off a layer or something. She's not coming up too strong. Oh, my nose. I cannot do oh my god, tacos, stay down. Okay, I can't do highlight on my nose or else it starts running, so. Okay, yeah, you need a lot of this crap actually for it to show up, but if you're into the natural highlight, I'm a little more of the natural highlight, so I like it, but if you're into like a highlight, I would not recommend this. Then I have this Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it is gorgeous. These are the colors. It's like oranges, pinks, and purples. Very warm palette. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have not done eyeshadow in, I think, a year, to be honest. I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow brushes. They look dirty. I was gonna say they're clean, but they're probably dirty. So I think I'm gonna use the color Lotus. It's like the most toned down matte shade in the palette. Okay, I can already tell I'm gonna like these eyeshadows. Oh, there's a mirror. Stop! And I'm no eyeshadow like person. I'm just seeing how well these work, like how their pigment is and stuff. Just know that whatever look I'm doing right now is probably not gonna turn out good. Yeah, I need to try one of the bright colors. I'm gonna go in with the Pink Moon right here. It's more of a coral, I would say. Ooh, I'm gonna take the Bahamas color now. Kind of a deep mauve color. Wow. Nocturnal Sangria. Some of the Maui, the pink glitter shade. I think I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to pop that on the lid. This is what it looks like. Gorgeous. This, really good quality, really pigmented. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes because the last thing in the box is a mascara. It's Grandedrama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. So I've never heard of this brand, this type of mascara, like ever. So I'm very curious as to how it works out. My lashes are they're kind of like short and stubby, so I don't know if thickening is what they need. And my eyelashes absolutely suck at holding curl. My eyelashes basically just like stick straight down. Like I've already curled them 5 million times today without putting mascara on, and they're already droopy, but whoa. This is light and it feels weird, and then this brush is like short and stubby, but the hairs like that. It's not a brush I would use. I use more of the skinnier brushes, so. Okay, that's one coat. Yeah, it's a no for me. It does take a lot to impress me with a mascara, but definitely not my first choice. I mean, it did thicken them, I would say. But I did like 3 coats, so I guess I'll try one more. it ain't it. Eyelashes, not a fan. I'd honestly rather just use like the Clump Crusher drugstore CoverGirl mascara. Alright, so we did everything in. Okay, I said I had no more space on my card, so I had to like fix some stuff, and my battery's dying, so I'm gonna make this short. Okay, loved this. Absolutely loved it. Great eyeshadow. I even like the bronzer and the blush a lot. This, not too bad. I don't know if I would buy it with my own money, but it did make my skin softer. And the Too Faced highlight I did like, but if you're looking for a more pop and highlight, you're not gonna like this one, I would assume. But yeah, that was my first time overall using BoxyCharm, and I freaking loved it. It's so much fun getting the package in the mail, and it's like Christmas. Just keeps on going. Everything was super cool. I have 2 more boxes left, so I'm gonna film 2 more videos on what I got, and overall I really recommend BoxyCharm. I absolutely loved it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure I will see you in my next video. So bye guys.